This is actually my favorite bowl here. It's the leaf one. This is an ocean drum and a rain stick. Do you want to play it? We'd love to hear the sound.
I almost didn't hear him call my name.
Beautiful. And the sound depends on what kind of beans you put in, right?
Depends on that. Depends on the width and what kind of wood you use for the dolls, for the pegs inside, and what kind of beans or wood or stones or other grains or combination thereof that you put in. And it depends on the board as well, how fat it is and how thin the walls are.
Okay.
Here's the ocean drum. So it's a regular drum. Hold it so it doesn't resonate. There. It's a regular drum, but if you hold it upside down, it sounds like you're by the ocean side.
That's a beautiful sound. It's awesome.
Since you're by the beach, instead of 110 degrees.
Like it is today. So how long have you been an entrepreneur in business?
Well, I've had my own business off and on for like 18 years or more. I've had this business for about 4. I've been making boards for about a year and a half, 2 years.
You do a lot of different stuff. You do the jewelry, you do the polymer clay.
Well, I started with the beaded jewelry first. These are the remnants from my former business. And then I went to grad school and liquidated that, and then I discovered polymer clay. Actually, I discovered it before grad school, but I got to use it once I had finished grad school, and that's been my main passion until I discovered the cords. And now I do both, sometimes combining them.
You're so creative.
Thank you.
And then over here we have the non-jewelry, because polymer clay isn't just for jewelry.
Exactly. I've even done sculptural things with it. Covered different surfaces, well, like boxes, frames, wine charms, ornaments.
They keep on losing it.
Fantastic.
That's fantastic.
Great. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.